Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harji Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very easy pretty eyelet lace stitch knitting pattern. Friends, from the right side it looks like this, and from the wrong side it looks like this. This pattern can be used for making any knitting project like sweater, jacket, scarf, blanket, etc. Friends, it is only 4 rows repeat knitting pattern, and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 9 plus 4 extra stitches plus 2 edge stitches. 9 plus 4 plus 2. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, please also hit the like button and share my video with your friends in your groups and keep supporting me. Thank you. Friends, for the demonstration I have cast on 24 stitches on my needle, 18 multiple of 9 plus 4 extra stitches, 22 plus 2 edge stitches, so total 24 stitches. Let's start the first row of the pattern. Right side, slip the edge stitch. After that, knit 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After these 5 stitches, first is edge stitch, after that knit 4 stitches. Our pattern will be start, and the pattern is now these 2 stitches. We will knit 2 stitches together. Knit 2 stitches together like this. Then wrap yarn around it and knit 1 stitch. Again yarn over. Now slip 2 stitches on the right needle, 1 and 2. Now we will do slip slip knit, slip slip knit. Then knit 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row. Knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK, slip slip knit and knit 4 stitches. So one more repeat is knit 2 stitches together like this. Then yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip 2 stitches on the right needle and will do slip slip knit like this. Then knit 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in this way we will complete our first row. Last is edge stitch, knit the edge stitch. Second row, wrong side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn in back, knit 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Knit 4 stitches, yarn in front, purl 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row. Knit 4, purl 5. So one more repeat is yarn in back, knit 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Knit 4, yarn in front, purl 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Purl 5 stitches. So in this way we will complete our second row. Last I have 5 stitches, so yarn in back, knit 4 stitches, 1 2 3 and 4, yarn in front, purl the edge stitch. Third row, slip the edge stitch. After that, knit all the stitches in the third row. So let's complete this row by knit all the stitches from here to here. Fourth row, slip the edge stitch. After that, our pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn in back, knit 4 stitches, 1 2 3 4, knit 4, yarn in front, purl 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 and 5, knit 4, purl 5. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is knit 4 stitches, 1 2 3 4, yarn in front, purl 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5. Last I have 5 stitches, so yarn in back, knit 4 stitches, 1 2 3 4, knit 4, yarn in front, purl the edge stitch. So friends, after the 4 rows our pattern is ready. Now we will again repeat from the row 1 to 4. So we will repeat these 4 rows until the desired length of our pattern. When we repeat these 4 rows, we will get a pattern like this. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.